For over 2,000 years, one legend has challenged historians, scientists, and explorers alike: Atlantis. The story begins with the Greek philosopher Plato, who described a powerful island civilization unlike anything the ancient. According to Plato, Atlantis existed beyond the Pillars of Hercules, in a vast ocean to the west. Its capital was said to be the richest and most advanced city on Earth. Its people mastered engineering, architecture, navigation, and trade centuries ahead of their time. At the heart of Atlantis lay a city unlike any other, built in perfect circles, connected by canals and magnificent bridges. Its advanced engineering amazed generations. They used complex waterways ahead of their time.
The people worshipped Poseidon, believing the mighty sea god had blessed their civilization with unmatched prosperity.
Their rulers governed an empire said to stretch across distant islands and powerful kingdoms. Atlantis became a center of global trade, attracting wealth and treasures from every known corner of the ancient world.
As Atlantis grew stronger, so did its ambition to dominate the ancient world.
Its rulers dreamed of expanding their empire beyond every known horizon. Legend tells of a navy powerful enough to challenge every neighboring civilization. Yet the skies and seas began revealing unsettling warnings. Nature itself seemed to warn that a great catastrophe was approaching. Without warning, the earth beneath Atlantis began to shake violently. Buildings that had stood for centuries collapsed within moments. Then the sea rose with unimaginable force. Within hours, the magnificent city disappeared beneath the ocean. Only silence remained, leaving behind one of history's greatest legends. Everything we know about Atlantis begins with the writings of Plato. Researchers continue searching for Atlantis across several possible locations.
Some scholars connect the legend to the catastrophic eruption of Santorini.
Advanced technology continues searching the ocean for hidden evidence. To this day, Atlantis remains one of history's greatest unanswered mysteries. Ancient maps continue fueling theories about forgotten civilizations. Modern technology allows researchers to compare ancient maps with today's world. Some believe Bimini Road could be evidence of an ancient civilization. Deep-sea exploration continues, revealing secrets hidden beneath the ocean floor. The search for Atlantis continues, driven by curiosity, science, and the mysteries of history. Some historians believe Plato intended Atlantis as a moral lesson, not a historical record. Others continue searching for evidence that the legend may contain historical truth. Rising sea levels may have submerged many coastal settlements. Underwater archaeology continues uncovering remarkable traces of forgotten civilizations. Whether myth or reality, Atlantis continues inspiring every new generation of explorers. Many researchers believe Atlantis may have existed somewhere in the Atlantic Ocean. Others believe Santorini inspired the legend after its devastating volcanic eruption. Some theories point toward the volcanic Azores as a possible location. More controversial theories even place Atlantis beneath the ice of Antarctica. Despite countless theories, the true location of Atlantis remains one of history's greatest mysteries.
Today's explorers search the ocean with technology far beyond anything.
Every new dive reveals geological formations that continue to spark debate. Artificial intelligence now helps researchers identify patterns hidden beneath the seafloor. Each expedition brings us one step closer to understanding our forgotten past. Whether Atlantis is legend or history, the search continues, and every discovery brings us closer to the truth. The deepest parts of the Atlantic may still hide remarkable secrets. Every new sonar scan reveals formations that deserve closer investigation. Artificial intelligence is transforming the future of underwater archaeology. Every great discovery reminds us that history still holds countless unanswered questions. Perhaps the greatest discovery is not Atlantis itself, but humanity's endless desire to seek the truth. History has repeatedly proven that lost civilizations can become extraordinary discoveries. Every excavation has the potential to rewrite the story of human civilization. Science continues testing ancient stories against modern evidence. Legend and evidence rarely agree completely, yet both continue to inspire exploration. The greatest mysteries are often the ones that inspire us to keep searching. New generations of explorers continue pushing beyond the limits of the known world. Advanced imaging now reveals details once hidden beneath the seafloor. Artificial intelligence is helping researchers rebuild the past with remarkable precision. Every expedition adds another piece to humanity's forgotten story. Perhaps Atlantis still waits beneath the water. For centuries, Atlantis has inspired historians, artists, and dreamers across the world. Its greatest legacy may be the curiosity it awakens in every generation. Every civilization leaves behind lessons for those willing to uncover them. The search for Atlantis is ultimately a search for our own forgotten history. Some mysteries are never fully solved, and that is what makes them unforgettable. Every new expedition brings humanity one step closer to the unknown. Technology continues expanding the limits of archaeological discovery. Hidden beneath the ocean, forgotten stories may still be waiting to emerge. The legend of Atlantis continues, connecting the ancient world with modern science. Perhaps the greatest discoveries generations. The ocean still guards countless secrets beneath its endless waves. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding humanity's forgotten past. History reminds us that impossible discoveries can become reality. The search for Atlantis is ultimately the search for our shared human story. Perhaps the greatest mystery is not where Atlantis lies, but what it still has to teach us. This is Past Uncovered 450. Until next time, keep exploring the past.